So this is the indoor-outdoor digital antenna for your smart TV to pick up local channels. You might be wondering why I'm in the camper. When we go camping, if we have Wi-Fi, we like having the TV with us, using the smart TV. We get to go ahead, if it's raining and stuff like that, you know, get to sit in the camper and relax and watch some TV. For the option of being where you don't have Wi-Fi, you now have the digital antenna, which will plug in directly to the back of the TV through the USB port, as well as your digital tuner. Once you've connected everything up, you'll see you have a green power light here. I'm going to feed your antenna outside. It does come with 3M sticky tape, as well as hardware if you decide to mount it permanently, as well as some zip ties for your cable adjustment. Now that we have the antenna hooked up, we're going to go to scan for the TV, or for the channels. Once you've got the antenna connected with the coax to the TV and your USB for the power, you'll go to your tuning. You're going to run your digital tuner and let the antenna do its job.